Hala, kanindot. Dira sa likod. Uy. Nanay, juday mi diri sa tungod. Day 1 in Singapore. Nalis kami. Siyempre, saan na tayo pupunta? At yes, siya na daw yung may alam. Dito kami. Lavender Station. Train station. And it's just a short walk from the hotel. Sobrang dali lang. Like 2 minutes walks. At same sa Sydney, yun dun mag-tap din. And buti din kasi nagagamit lang namin yung phone namin para mag-tap at makadaan ka. Diyan oh. Bayad-bayad siya dyan. Hala, it's a Singaporean song ba? Kahit hindi makaintindi. Uy! As every 3 or 4 minutes siya. Ano? Here lang. More than 6 years. Kanimawala na bitaw ta.
To the Marina Bay.
Pangita na lang sa mga.
Okay, you go downstairs, take the red line. Yeah, you walk up the second. Second pillar down.
Dira daw. Siya yung... that way or this way? Thank you! Siya yung taga tulong sa mga nawawalang tao ng mga laagan. Kasi nag-change pa lang kami ng train. Meron kasi ang dami. Meron dyan papunta, meron din dito pala sa baba. And meron din here. There is one there upstairs also.
See, just look. See, that's the way to go back to home. Look.
Yeah, but it's different way.
So we're going to come back down again. The swap lines.
Ang dami. Mag-open pa gani. Nahurot.
Empty. Look.
Yeah. Ninaog naman sila tanan. What's this one here? Raffles
Place.
Raffles Place. So what's in here? And finally we're here. Dito kami. Marina Bay.
The flag for you to go and explore. One of them is go to
Matana na food. Nara good. Thank you. Garden by the Bay. First destination, Gardens by the Bay. At nandyan lang pala yung boat. Oh! Nakikita ko lang online. Hala, where we can go for that one, love? Where's our way?
We'll get there later.
Yes, first destination for the day 1 namin ni Anthony. So, dito nga yung first destination namin. Let's go. Hanap-hanap kami saan kami makapunta nito. Kasi parang dag-uman siya. Oy.
Sure.
And we're here now. What's the name of this one here? Biskut. Unsay pangalan diri agi ulan nami. Let's go lang where we can stop now. Ito yung may lights no na sobrang ganda pag night time. Wow, very nice. May McDonald's dyan o Starbucks. Ano, sobrang ganda niya. Maganda dito paggabi. Where's Anthony? Kami, Baba. Nice. Malayo-layo na pala yung nalakad na namin. At malapit na kami dyan, oh. And then, meron din dito na mga ganyan na pagganap. At meron din dun. Dito na kami sa baba. May mga ganyan din siya, oh. Pero, kailangan namin ng food. Kasi, afternoon na, mag-alas 12 na, wala pa kaming kain kahit isa. Wala lahat. Walang tubig and all. So, dito kami. Sakura daw, oh, March 8 to April. Wow, very nice. Uy. Si Anthony, nandito na pala, oh. Thanks, love. Oh. It's nice here. Look. It's a real one, love. Wow. Look at that. Dinosaur. Show to Elijah, Papa. At also the, oh. Jurassic kasi. Jurassic means. Wait, this is a real one, honey? Or no? Laksa daw. Pizza here. Pizza yan sa kanya. Looking for a food kami.
Oh, sorry.
Yay! Mainit na! Thank you! Para ma-enjoy namin yung aming libot-libot.
Chicken booth over there. Chicken booth.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys. That one day? Hala, kasi daw si Anthony gusto niyang pumunta dyan. Oh, may mga nag-walking dyan. Dyan sila. Sa taas na sila nag-walking, oh. At dito daw yung magbayad. Singaporean money naman na siya, oy. Dito kami, oh. $14. Skyway. Ah, okay. Oh. You're not scared?
No, give it a go. Oh shit. The thing goes up wrong.
At dito na. Dito na kami sa taas. Hello. Dito. Sobrang taas niya talaga. Wow, so nice. Oh, this one here, Bobby. Oh. And it's $14 nga siya, Singaporean dollars, 14 each. I don't know how much for Australian, but yes. Pero sobrang ganda niya. Oh, yung Marina Bay, oh, dyan lang pala siya. Hey, kahadlok.
Even over there.
Ay, makalipong, honey. Don't move too much, love.
Why?
Because it's like moving. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't like this. I want to get off.
Uy, honey, not good for you. Not good for him.
Nah, I want to get off.
Kay heights siya ba? Uy, honey. Behave yourself. Very nice there, oh. Very nice, pero nakakahadlok. Nakakatakot siya. Dito na kami sa dulo. Doon kami umakyat. Then, this is the view here. At dito ang pababa. Bayfront MRT. Wala, oh, diri naman dahil siya. Oh! Yeah, it's here, honey! Wala ko, oy!
We fucked up. Think about it. We fucked up.
Bakit?
Look at that.
Parang naana may diri unya mali man di mo agi anan. Ah, kus we need a bridge. Hala ka ni dira sa likod oy. Oh, nana jud ay mi diri sa tungod. Tungod ng boat, big boat. Very nice. Pero wrong way mi, na wrong turn. Wrong turn.
We're trying to get there.
There's a-
Like Mum had.
Yeah.
This place got it from here.
Oh, from here.
Yeah, first
Wow, and here you go. This is the one. Very nice. Ala, and the, what's that there? Oh,